Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cricket Prediction Australia. Today we are going to tell you BBL match number 37, which is between Perth Scorcher versus Hobart Hurricane. Friends, if you don't subscribe our channel, please do it. If you subscribe our channel, we will be happy to do more predictions. So let's see the head-to-head record. Perth Scorcher 7 win and Hobart Hurricane 6 win. In the next match, Perth Scorcher versus Hobart Hurricane. Our prediction is Perth Scorcher will win the match. What do you think? Who will win? Share with us in our comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.